Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Yes, I'm going to bring 4 videos like this for books on number theory, algebra, geometry and combinatorics. Okay, but first of all, let's frankly discuss, because many people were asking about books in the live sessions, so I felt like it is important that I make specific videos for each topic, right? So I'll suggest 2 to 3 books in each pillar, and I'll go through the contents with you, and I'll share that which particular chapters are important for you, right? That's the goal of this you can say a video series, because I'll make 4 videos on this. So guys, why do we need extra books? Why do we need extra books? We need it only because our school syllabus is not enough, and Olympiad requires you to think out of the box, right? And because you want to think out of the box, you need to get out of the box books, kind of, right? So it is important that you prepare yourself which is beyond your school syllabus. Now, in number theory specifically, there is one concept which is totally missing in the school syllabus: the divisibility, prime numbers. All these are there, right? Divisibility, prime numbers, and the fundamental principle of arithmetic, those things are there, fine. But modular arithmetic, right, congruency of integers, those things are missing. I have covered it in my channel for basic concepts. If you want to understand the intuition behind it, you can please go and watch the videos on this channel. I made a playlist on number theory, so I cover everything. And then we start with this. So why are these books important, guys? First of all, before we start, some general books, IOQM book and this Pearson book, these two are kind of the standard book when if you're just starting out, if you're just beginning your IOQM journey, these 2 books should be your must, right? At least one of these, because they cover all the topics in a general sense, in a fluid manner, where everyone can understand, any school student can understand. They don't go in depth with Olympiad specific things, because it's just IOQM. It's only for the first stage of preparation. But yeah, the same topics, the same concepts will be used in an advanced level in RMO, INMO and these levels. Okay, and for those advanced, or if you're done with this, then you can go to other books. This should be your starting point, my dear friends. Please remember. Okay, you cannot jump on the books which I am recommending. So number theory specific books are Tito Andres, who is a well-known mathematician, and his books are very famous. This particular book is I found it very beautiful, right? So if you just look at the content of this book, you have the divisibility, powers, this thing, everything is there. The interesting thing is the example in the first chapter itself, it's crazy. So you have to be thorough with your basic understandings of integers and number theory before you begin with this book, right? So the questions are of top-notch level, and you will find it really helpful for yourself. Okay, so this book I would recommend you just have a look at it. So okay, one more thing, I will be recommending a lot of books in this video series, right? That does not mean I want you to absolutely buy each and every book, or at least do that. No need at all. I am not even suggesting that you buy any book. I'm just saying, just open these books. I want to kindle that curiosity in you, that you open the PDF of a particular book and look at the content of it, and just think for yourself, this is so interesting, these topics. When I was probably your age, right, 8th, 9th, 10th, I was not that interested in mathematics, but looking at higher level mathematics excited me a lot. I was a lot more excited. So at my home, since my father was a maths teacher, we had a Russian a Russian book. I'm not sure the name of the book now. Handbook, mathematical handbook, something like that. And I was devouring on it. I was looking at the concepts and everything, even though I did not understand. I used to write down everything. It was a fun thing. Yeah, but anyway, basic principles in number theory, yeah, everything, it covers everything, more on divisibility. There are advanced stuff starts after 8, so I would suggest, so I have taken out the screenshots of only those chapters which are important for you. So you can refer to this video if you are ever going to look at it. Okay, last digit, last 2 digits and everything. This is very interesting stuff. We cover all this in a easier versions in our textbooks. Definite and equations, I did cover Pell's equation, yeah, all these I have covered on my channel. I am so proud of that. I didn't know about this before, like in this book. So yeah, anyway, David Button, the standard, gold standard again, a very famous book, but it's actually only the first few chapters are helpful for you. Rest of the chapters are kind of advanced. It's not kind of, it's very advanced. Okay, so you should know that before you begin. So which chapters are important for you? The preliminaries, fine. Of course, those two are important. Binomial theorem, okay, that comes under permutations, combinations, but you can just have a look. We will also talk about it later. Mathematical induction as a method, so that is preliminary, but this is where the theory starts. Division algorithm, this thing, definite and equations again, but only this definite and equation he talks about here. Primes and their distribution, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. And the interesting thing is, whenever he talks about a particular person, he actually mentions a brief biography of their life. For example, here Gauss' biography is given in the first part of the 4th chapter. In the first part of 5th chapter, Fermat's biography is given. So it's very interesting, like you will find it very fascinating when you read it, right? So you can just open the book and read the biographies, I don't mind. So yeah, theory of congruencies, integer congruencies, this is something which is totally missing in the school syllabus of almost any board, right? Fermat's theorem, important. And yeah, that was what I had for number theory. I hope you found it helpful. Again, I will repeat saying this, that please just go through these books. If you want to, if you have some other book which you found interesting while you prepared for number theory, tell me in the comments, right? And if you had a look at these, opened by yourself, you looked at the first chapter and something, tell me in the comments how did you find it. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care, tata, bye bye.